Capital One login, how to sign in Capital One mobile. So if you want to log into Capital One or sign into your Capital One account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is to simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Capital One application. Now first, it depends upon whether you're from UK or US, right? Because for UK users you have to download the Capital One, the UK version of the app. For US users you have to download the normal Capital One app. So once done, tap on the get started button. Now for UK users, you actually need to enter your card number and expiration date of the card to log into your mobile banking account. But for US users, the things might be different. You should be able to log in by using your username and password that you used during the registration process of mobile banking. So once you've done that, you'll be successfully logged into your respective account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.